Hey kids, good morning. Welcome back. I am Neha ma'am. Let's start our session with the good morning song. Good morning. How are you? Just fine. It's so nice to have you here with me today. Good morning. How are you? Just fine. Howdy, how do you do? Hello, good day. Now that we are together, learning so much fun. The more of us, the better. So come on, everyone. Good morning. How are you? Just fine. Howdy, how do you do? Hello, good day. Howdy, how do you do? Hello, good day. Now tell me, which concept did you learn in the previous session? Right. You learned pre-number concept, sit, stand. So let's revise it first.
बच्चों, स्टैंड का मतलब है खड़े होना एंड सिट का मतलब है बैठना. लेट्स सी सम पिक्चर्स टू रिवाइज द कंसेप्ट. किड्स, you can see these pictures on page number 20 in your maths workbook. The man is sitting on the bench. The kids are standing. The old lady is standing. The boy is sitting under the tree. The cow is standing. The dog is sitting under the tree. Let's see some more pictures for the same. The boy is standing and this boy is sitting on the chair. This monkey is sitting and this monkey is standing. This dog is standing and this dog is sitting. This cat is standing and this cat is sitting. This boy is standing and this boy is sitting on the bench.
Now we will play a fun game for the same. The name of the game is Sit Down, Stand Up Game. In this game, you have to listen and respond if the sentence is true about you. तो बच्चों, इस गेम में आपको मुझे ध्यान से सुनना है और अगर वो आपके बारे में सही है तो आपको वो एक्शन करना है. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर गेम. Stand up if you are excited about going to school. बच्चों, stand up अगर आप स्कूल जाने के लिए एक्साइटेड हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट.
Sit down if you have a pet.
बच्चों, अगर आपके पास पेट एनिमल या बर्ड है देन सिट डाउन. स्टैंड अप इफ यू लाइक टू ईट आइसक्रीम. बच्चों, स्टैंड अप अगर आपको आइसक्रीम खाना पसंद है. ओके, नेक्स्ट. सिट डाउन इफ यू हैव अ सिस्टर. बच्चों, सिट डाउन अगर आपकी सिस्टर है. स्टैंड अप इफ यू हैव एवर ट्रैवल बाय बस. बच्चों, अगर कभी आप बस में बैठे हो देन स्टैंड अप. ओके, नेक्स्ट. सिट डाउन इफ यू रिमेम्बर माई नेम. सिट डाउन अगर आपको मेरा नाम याद है. स्टैंड अप इफ यू आर वेयरिंग रेड क्लोथ्स. बच्चों, अगर आपने रेड कलर के क्लोथ्स पहने हैं देन स्टैंड अप. ओके, नेक्स्ट. इफ यू लाइक दिस गेम सिट डाउन. बच्चों, अगर आपको ये गेम पसंद आई देन सिट डाउन. तो बच्चों, गेम में मजा आया? आप भी अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ये गेम खेलोगे ना? ओके, लेट्स डू एन एक्टिविटी to learn this concept better. In this activity, I will show you some flashcards and you have to observe them carefully and tell me whether the object is sitting or standing. तो बच्चों, मैं आपको कुछ फ्लैश कार्ड्स दिखाऊंगी। आपको वो ध्यान से देखने हैं और मुझे बताना है that object is sitting or standing.
Kids, look at this flashcard carefully and tell me, the boy is sitting or standing? Yes, very good. The boy is standing. Look at this girl and tell me, the girl is sitting or standing? Very good. The girl is sitting. Look at this dog. Tell me, kids, the dog is sitting or standing? Yes, the dog is sitting. Look at this elephant. The elephant is sitting or standing? Well done. The elephant is standing. Look at this lion. Tell me, the lion is sitting or standing? Yes, the lion is standing. Look at this cat. Tell me, the cat is sitting or standing? Very good. The cat is sitting.
Kids, have you enjoyed this activity? Okay, now I will give you the solution of the worksheet.
This is the solution of your practice worksheet. In this worksheet, you had to tick the people who are standing and cross the people who are sitting. Let's see the solution of this worksheet. In this picture, the boy is sitting on the chair, so I put cross mark on it. In this picture, the boy is sitting on the swing, so I put cross mark on it. In this picture, the boy is standing, so I put tick mark on it. In this picture, the boy is standing, so I put tick mark on it. In this picture, the girl is standing, so I put tick mark on it. In this picture, the girl is sitting, so I put cross mark on it. Hope you all have done this worksheet correctly.
Keep watching and learning through the videos. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.